On today's craft video, I'm going to show you guys how to do diamond painting. It's pretty fun and pretty simple. So this is a kit I got on Amazon. Came in a bigger box, but it's just got two little packs here that you unpack. So a whole bunch of these different little, what they're calling diamonds. I imagine them more as like rhinestones, but they're little plastic with kind of a diamondish sparkle to them. So it comes with coordinating numbers, each packet according to the color. And then you get a little bead tray with tweezers. Also a little bit of wax, so I'll show you what you need that for. And the picker-upper tool. And then again the bead board. So this painting, as it's called, comes rolled up. So you're just going to take a little bit at a time, look at your legend, and determine which packet you need to open that coordinates with the number. And you just want to peel back a little bit at a time because the adhesive on there is pretty strong and you don't want it to get dirty and weakened. So pour out a little bit, and then you're going to take the tool, you get some wax in the tip there, and then you pick it up by the domed area because you want the flat end to be how you deposit it on the paper, if that makes sense. It's kind of hard filming that with the angle I had, sorry. But honestly, this just makes me think of like a paint by number meets Minesweep, if you're old enough to know that reference. But it's really fun. The one thing I will say, you can see there's some that are a little bit crooked. If you are really picky about perfection, take your time, because once it's on the paper, it's gonna stay on the paper. Like I said, it's a pretty strong adhesive. So this can take a while. It can be kind of therapeutic and just kind of mindless, something that you can just do with your hands. Take some time to create something, make something beautiful. Even do while you've got, you know, a movie on in the background. I will probably do this like on my couch, but probably a little cleaner setup on a table. One thing I will say about the packages, be very careful, because I had a whole bunch sprawled out on my table and I picked up a couple that I thought were not opened, and now I have beads, I'm calling them beads, all over my table and floor, and I don't know if they give you any extras, so that could be interesting when it comes down to finishing this. But as you can see, some you're going to open up and literally like have one or two in that area, but all the intricate colors all mixed together is what really makes it quite beautiful. I'm just doing a small section here on the video, I'll be honest, just with my free time and making stuff for you guys to watch on this and my other channels. It might be a while till I finish it, but feel free to check on my Facebook group, follow me there, and I'll make sure to post a picture when I do get it all finished in all of its glory. So here's just some examples of the ones that I have not got on there. Honestly, that's all there is to this craft. As you've seen on some of my other videos, like there's a lot more learning curve, but if you're just looking for a fun craft, something that's kind of newer out there, then I do recommend this. This is a fun one to do. If you want to order one of these, I think the seller that I ordered from also had a starry night, which I love, is gorgeous. So the link is down below. I appreciate if you purchase through my link, just because I do get a little bit of money from that, but same price for you. So might as well start there. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I love to answer questions, and I would love if you would subscribe. And if you've tried this, tell me what you think about it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.